In this video, you'll learn how to create customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Customer statements are a simple and professional way to show clients what they owe, which invoices are still open, and how long those balances have been outstanding. A customer statement is especially useful for month-end follow-ups or anytime you want to give customers a clear snapshot of their account. To begin, go to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click New. This is the same button used to create invoices or expenses. If you don't see it, make sure your navigation menu is expanded and that you're in the correct company and role. Clicking New opens a menu of common transactions. From there, select Statement. This takes you to the Statement Setup screen where you define exactly what your customers will see. This is the most important part of the process. First, choose the statement type. Balance Forward shows a starting balance, activity during the period, and an ending balance. This is great for monthly summaries. Open Item lists each unpaid invoice individually. This is ideal for reminding customers about specific overdue bills. Some versions also include a transaction summary for more detailed views. Next, set your date range and As of date to control which transactions appear. Then choose who will receive the statement. You can select All Customers, Only Customers with Outstanding Balances, Specific Customers. Take a moment to review customer contact details to ensure statements are sent to the correct place. If available, enable Aging columns. These show how long balances have been outstanding, adding clarity and urgency for your customers. You can also include a short, friendly message, such as payment instructions or a reminder of due dates. If there's a preview option, use it to double-check formatting and totals before saving. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This locks in the statement setup. If your version supports Save and Send, you can email the statements immediately. Otherwise, you can save first and then send or print them afterward. The key is to make sure the statement type, dates, and customers are all correct before finalizing. For best results, send statements regularly. Most businesses do this monthly. Also, keep your customer list and payment terms up to date so your statements remain clear and accurate. And that's how you create customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Regular statements help you stay organized and improve your chances of getting paid on time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.